Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a basic spellbook, necessary resources, and a mobility tool. Once done, head to the nearest island hub and open the map to mark page spawn zones. You want to prioritize zones with active player traffic because pages respawn faster there. Make sure to set a quick teleport point. Move swiftly between marked spawns, scanning chests, and book altars. Keep your light active for caves. Speed matters since pages are limited per cycle. Once you've checked spawn zones, concentrate on systematic farming. Clear shrines, search hidden chests, and defeat minibosses that drop higher-tier pages. While doing this, accept repeatable quests that commonly award page scraps. Combine scraps in sets to craft full pages. Rotate between hotspots every 10-15 minutes to catch respawns, and make sure to visit trade NPCs who swap scraps or currency for guaranteed pages. Keep an eye on rare chest timers. To finish, assemble your collected pages at the Spellbook workbench or altar. Follow the combine prompt and confirm the slot. Once done, test new spells briefly to ensure proper binding. If you encounter missing pages, first check your stash and inventory limits because overflow causes loss. Then revisit recent drop locations and rerun boss routes. If problems persist, trade with players or use NPC exchanges to replace missing pages. Finally, log your successful routes so you can reproduce this efficient loop next time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.